All right, it's Wednesday, June 11th. Just following up on Netflix. Bought it here at the this green line here on bar number 3 when it was breaking out above the first two bars highs. It's followed through a little higher. I just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade about 9 points higher. So I bought Netflix at 12:11:10, and I just scaled out at 12:20 to kind of set up a no-risk trade just to see how much higher it goes. Lowers my break-even stop somewhere down to the midpoint of the first bar or kind of the close of yesterday. So as long as the stock stays positive today, we'll see how high it wants to go. On the daily chart, you're kind of anticipating that after a 3-day pullback and the overall very strong stock, everyone knows it's one of the strongest stocks, that maybe it's just, like kind of here 3-day pullback and we start another leg higher. But obviously you're going to have to close green and get a 2-up day, and that will kind of confirm the next leg up. Yesterday we came down pretty big. There was a chance you were going to broaden below these lows down here and possibly even continue lower today towards those targets. But we had a little buying tail yesterday, and then opening price action kind of started above, relatively above the midpoint of this red bar in an uptrend. So, it was time, just looking at the two bars that paused early and then the breakout, to give it a shot to the upside. We've got the good follow through. So let's see if we get one push up, pause, second push up today, and let's see if this chart can ultimately, turn green today and get a 2-up kind of day going, which would kind of confirm maybe the uptrend, continues for another leg higher. So it's all at no risk right now. Just again going with price action. Yesterday was clearly a day that broke down early on in the session, but then had a nice little buying tail near the end of the day, and then today we kind of paused and then started higher. So, and a good strong stock that could be one of the buy signals, in my opinion, to give it a shot back to the upside. Obviously, good news that you got the immediate follow through, and now we'll see at no risk how much higher it wants to go today.